how to change a blade on a Ryobi jigsaw. Now, this is a quick and easy job, but safety first. Always remove the battery or unplug it from the wall outlet. Now, if we look at the end here, this little collar is normally pull or twist. This one's a twist, and this is the quick release lever to open a clamp inside the tool. So if you've got a blade already in, when you twist it or pull it, it will release normally the blade automatically. So let's twist that. You can see here underneath, when you twist it, it allows you to enter the blade. Now the blade can be put in wrong, as you can see here. What we want is the teeth to point forward. So with that quick release collar turned, enter your blade all the way to the bottom till you feel resistance. Then release that quick release collar. You see it spins round, and now that blade should be locked into place. To make sure, just give it a few gentle tugs, and if it doesn't release, it's nice and secure. So then you can plug your jigsaw back in or insert the battery, and then, as you can see, we've successfully changed the blade on a Ryobi jigsaw. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.